run it and push it. There you go. Oh, you back it out. Let me get my finger. No, I'm just kidding. Get that right there. Do the same thing on the top up here. This truck's getting some wear on it and it doesn't hold the screw as stable as a brand new one does, so raising up on that a little bit more precision. Shooting there. Good. You're gonna tape it. Stick them down in short sections. Just gonna ankle up a little bit on you. That way. Let's see. Let's close this right here. Alright, you use a tenor. When you're using a tenor's hammer, a lot of times you're keep it from leaking air on me. That's all I'm after right there. I don't want to hear that thing whistling when I get it wrapped up and get ductwork attached to it. Go hunting it. This drill bit cuts well sideways. What I'm going to do faster to cut the flat metal. I love Malco's. Push this down and it opens your wire up. Wire's on the side. You're gonna push on it. So I got my power source. I want one of y'all to put them in right there, red and common. Take the pocket screwdriver or something if you want to and push in on, take the push in that slot right there. Push it and opens up. There you go. It's alright, you can bend it however you want to. It's just a push. And they're easy to service. You push on that, you ain't stripping out screws when you go playing with it. It's asking me, do I want to override the purge it is fixing to do to start the system up. I'm not going to get into the configuration because it's set up for gas and I don't want to mess with it. It comes factory set up for a gas furnace. You got a gas furnace? I'm going to put in a gas furnace. Alright, so it's common. So, being the train guy, I always make blue common. Don't need no because it's reversing valve. What we'll probably do though see, no, I don't see this wire. Straight copper. Most of your wire now's got more alloys in them, and it saves them a little money if they don't put 100% copper in them. Alright, now I'm gonna power this thing back down so we don't short nothing out. So we're just doing, we're only gonna hook up one thermostat, so I'm just gonna make it zone 1. This is a 4-zone board, zone 1. The damper for zone 1, zone 2 stat, damper for zone 2, zone 3 stat, damper, zone 4 stat, damper, and my equipment. Now this is going to go to my furnace equipment. Then I've got sensors over here. I got an outdoor sensor and discharge air temperature and outdoor air temperature. So, all right, somebody hook up R. We know we need R. Thermostat. Yeah. So these thermostats come with you have to put the date and everything in them. Just hit select, hit plug. Now if you're putting in a whole zone system and you're using 4-wire and you got 4 dampers out there, you may want to make it red, white, and blue, or red, white, and yellow, or red, white, and whatever colors you got. I think you're on the wrong zone there. You're hooking up to zone 2 damper. You get on zone 1 damper.
Oh no, you're good. You're good.
We had one. Go ahead and put them all 3 in the board, then we'll wire it in the damper.
Put it in the attic and my kids can go back and look like, what did that do?
So you're making orange common. Brown open, black closed, okay. So when you're doing install on stuff like this, sometimes you just think outside the box a little bit. I put in a zone system on upstairs for a guy here a while back, and I first started out talking about how we wanted to do a bunch of changing ducts, and then I got to looking at it, and I thought, well, I'm gonna just try it like it is first. I put the no, it's a slow moving damper.
I didn't know who it was. And the boss downstairs was like,
Okay, so that's purge. See right here where it says purge?
I don't care.
Purge override, and it opens all the zones and brings on the system fan. What it's doing is blowing any air that's in there that's hot or cold out. Then it starts with the board may not do anything without the discharge air temperature sensor, because it could overheat or overcool. But our transformer is putting out 27 volts.
10 more days of this?
10 more days. This is Dave. Question gets skipped and you wonder why. It's because I fell asleep on the mouse and clicked the button. Another piece of wire over there. And you go to zone 2 and power the fan.